Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you through creating your own whiteboard animation in Canva, even if you've never made one before. These animations are a fun way to grab attention and explain ideas clearly. So let's get started together. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged in, then click Create a Design. For a clean video look, choose a Full HD format 1920 by 1080 pixels works perfectly. Canva will open a blank design where we can build the scene we want to animate. Now, create the image that you'd like to turn into a whiteboard animation. You can make it as simple or detailed as you like. Add text, shapes, icons, or sketches. For example, I'm adding a title and a few hand-drawn style elements to make it look more playful. You can search for sketches in the Elements tab by typing things like laptop sketch, person sketch, or anything that fits your topic. Arrange everything until you're happy with your design. When your design is ready, download it to your computer as a JPG file. This is important because we'll use this image inside a Canva app that creates the hand drawing effect. Back inside Canva, look on the left side of the editor and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Speed Painter and press Enter. You'll see a couple of options. Pick the second one if you want more controls like frame rate and drawing speed. Open the app and upload the JPG you just saved. Once uploaded, you can start customizing the animation. Use the frame rate slider to control how smooth it looks. Then adjust the duration sliders. Set it to a quick 3 to 4 seconds for a fast sketch, or go up to 10-15 seconds if you want a slower, more dramatic reveal. You can also choose different hand styles, sketch effects, and colors to match the mood of your project. After setting everything the way you like, click Generate and wait a minute or two while Canva creates the whiteboard animation. When it's done, you'll see your design being drawn on the screen as if by an artist's hand. You can repeat this process for other slides or images to build a full animated sequence. And that's it. You've made a professional-looking whiteboard animation right inside Canva. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative Canva guides.